Hey YouTube, here is how I fixed a click noise or clang noise which actually come from my vehicle muffler. So as I can hear, I was actually driving through the drive-through for Tim Hortons. I realized that it is making some type of clicking noise and it was really weird. So I climbed under the vehicle and I found out that it's actually coming from the catalytic converter. Something is loose inside, or it might went bad or something like that, not quite sure, but it was an irritating noise. But when I pressed it hard towards that body, that sound quickly reduced. So I thought, okay, this might be an option which I can fix it myself. So I went and bought this clamp in home hardware or any store, any shop, just $1 or maybe 90 cents. So just hook it around that cat and to a supporting bar or anything actually which is just hook around that and just tighten it. As you can see, my vehicle is a bit rusted. It was actually an older version, so I did all the rust proofing and actually with the fluid film and with FDC rust converter. I think you should check out that video as well. It actually turned out really good. So if you haven't seen, just go and check it out. As you can see here, I am tightening it. It is just now under $1. You can kind of fix that clicking noise. If it's just not for FJ, it could be for any vehicle. Any vehicle, if you have any issues as such, give it a try. It's just less than $1. It is very easy to do. All you need to do, just tie it around, take a minor screwdriver and just tighten it. The moment you tighten it, you will realize actually the sound is coming low and low and low because it is actually getting tighter. So it is because of the support that clang noise is actually going. Make sure not to over tight it and break anything. Just tight it so that it won't actually make that noise. That's pretty much it, and just leave it at that. After a month or two, actually it may go loose a little bit. Do the same process again, once in 3 months or 4 months, and it should be fine. Otherwise, you can use some glue or something like that to actually make sure, or caulk it, so it won't actually come down. The nut won't go loose that easily. Yeah, so this is a quick fix. If your cat is making all kind of noise, there you go. Just spend that 90 cents and get it fixed. If you like this video and if you would like to see more videos about vehicles or anything like that, just subscribe on my channel. I'll be grateful to you. Stay safe and thank you very much for your time. Take care. Bye bye.